Welcome to Ficky Finance, where money meets motivation. Here, we grow your wealth and strengthen your mindset. Get ready to master your money and unlock your potential.
How to build passive income with print on demand. Print on demand lets you earn royalties without inventory. Here's how to start. Step 1. Sign up on Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Step 2. Use Canva or AI design tools to create simple designs, quotes, patterns, motivational slogans. Step 3. Upload designs to products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Step 4. Promote your store via TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Finally, every sale earns you royalties. No shipping, no stock. If you've watched this video this far, do me a favor. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, also share for others to benefit. Welcome back. Design once, earn forever. Want the full step-by-step guide with design tips and sites? Comment print.
Thanks for watching Ficky Finance, where we grow your money and your mindset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights that move you forward. See you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay financially smart.